Hey, it's Sonnie coming at you from Bangkok, Thailand. And today we are at one of the most famous markets here. I'm not going to say the name of the night market because I'll probably butcher it. So I'll just put it here and in the title. And we're trying some Bangkok street food. Let's go. This place was huge, and I was shocked to discover that it wasn't even the largest night market in Bangkok. But that one is located out in the suburbs, so this one was much more convenient.
Chicken?
Maybe.
Chicken.
Maybe pork.
I think chicken.
Yeah.
Maybe. And a hot dog. Oh, that's spicy.
Really?
The glaze. Glaze is spicy. Yeah, very spicy.
Is it good?
Just like a hot dog.
With spice.
With spice.
Although we were surrounded by huge and amazing looking meat and seafood dishes at affordable prices, I wanted to try a lot of things on camera for you without breaking the budget. So now we're gonna try our two types of tacos. Thank you. One is coconut and shrimp. So that one's the salty, savory, and the other one is egg, and that's the sweet one. I hope these are good. They look really cool.
Egg yolk, so on some type of little crispy pancake. Maybe sour cream? No. It's like marshmallow.
What?
I think it's just like marshmallow. Okay.
Oh
Sorry.
God.
Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and try it.
What happened? You got all of it?
Yeah.
I think you have to eat them in single bites.
Really? No way. So definitely sweet. The marshmallow is what makes it sweet. I didn't taste the egg yolk at all.
So since Joe couldn't taste the egg, I'm gonna try just that. It doesn't taste like egg, it just tastes like a syrup, like a sugary syrup coating the whole thing. And then this, I tasted it and it tastes like marshmallow fluff, like you would put on a fluffernutter sandwich. If you had a fluffernutter sandwich, comment below, because those things are so good. Oh, that bite I tasted the egg. The pancake's really good. It's super thin and crispy and sweet. I like it.
So I don't like coconut, but I'm gonna try the coconut one. It's meant to be savory, not sweet. I'm actually really scared because I really don't like coconut. Yeah, it has flavor. I don't like it though.
Can you taste shrimp?
A little bit.
Yeah?
The shrimp's okay. I don't know. I'm not a fan.
What's the white cream?
I honestly don't know. It might also be fluff.
No, that'd be weird. I'm scared. It smells really strong of shrimp. But I'm gonna try it. I don't hate it. It's sweet and salty together, and the shrimp isn't overpowering. That's really interesting. Yeah. Oh, now I just got a really big taste of the coconut too. That was like a later thing. Interesting. Okay.
we found a chicken wing place, and this is supposedly hot sauce. So we're gonna see just how hot the hot sauce is.
It has 5 peppers.
5 peppers. This is Thai hot sauce.
The hottest.
It tastes sweet.
Really?
Yeah, doesn't taste like hot sauce to me. Wait, maybe. No, not yet. It's still good though.
There's a lot more to do at this night market than just eat. There's a ton of shopping too.
As much as there was to eat and see, one of our favorite things to do here was split a beer and people watch from up high. There were a lot of bars with stairs to an open-air second floor. It was a great place to relax and talk before going back into the market for more.
Okay, I'm thinking it's time for dessert. So I keep seeing these stands that have rotis, I think it's called roti, and they look really, really good. So I'm going for it. I think this one's gonna be all mine.
So I'm gonna do Sonnie a favor and take a corner and not one of the ones with all the banana. But it looks really hot.
That's what you get.
That's what I get, you're right. Oh, there's definitely banana in it. Just tastes like a fried crepe.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah, there's no other words. Fried crepe.
Just 2? So rude.
And the top of one.
It smells really good. Thank you. A guy was just checking that Joe was doing a good job, I think. Anything with bananas and chocolate and like a little bit of condensed milk is on top, which I was gonna ask him not to do since I'm lactose intolerant, but it was too fast. Oh, it is so good. And yeah, the dough is really, really thin. It's fantastic. I really like this one. That was awesome and a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and comment below to chat with me. What else would you have tried? I got a lot of shots of all the other types of food, but we couldn't try everything, obviously. And we already had a couple of beers, so we were a little bit full. And subscribe for more if you want to see more content like this. Make sure to hit the little bell icon next to the subscription box so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Also, you can support me on Patreon if you're interested in that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!